Hello everyone, welcome to Night Out Time to Study. In this video, we are going to discuss and solve Sainik 2022 paper with solutions. Now we are going to solve this year's D booklet code. Here the instructions are given. We are having 4 sections, section A, B, C and D. The first section is English, means language, which is having 25 questions and 2 marks each. And the second section B is mathematics, which is having 50 questions of 3 marks each. And the section C is general knowledge. And section D is intelligence, containing 25 questions of 2 marks each. Starting with section A, language, the first thing is read the following passage and answer the following questions. The first passage is the 7 ancient wonders of the world. Directly entering into the question, which of the following statements is not true about the passage? Here they have given 4 options. On observing, the first one is Colossus of Rhodes was built to honor Helios. On observing the passage now, we can observe the Colossus of Rhodes built around 550 BC. And here we can observe that in addition to Jesus, the Greeks built another very big statue to honor Greek god Helios. This wonder is known as the Colossus of Rhodes, built around 550 BC. The first one is true. So this was not the answer. And the second option is Pharos of Alexandria was a lighthouse. Again, coming to the passage, the last 2 lines are the only wonder built for practical use was the Pharos of Alexandria. And the Pharos of Alexandria, this was a lighthouse off coast of Egypt. So the second option is also true. And the Great Pyramid of Giza was destroyed. Now again observe the passage. Here we can see the ancient Greeks made a list of places that people should see. The list named the 7 wonders of the world. Okay, the first thing up to here. Only one of the ancient wonders can be found today in Giza. That means it was still alive. Found today in Giza, which is in Egypt. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza, which is found today in Giza. So here the third option they said is the Great Pyramid of Giza was destroyed. So this will be not true. Just to get the clarity, we will observe the fourth option also. Here the fourth option is the hanging gardens of Babylon were built by a king for his wife. And the passage we can see the hanging gardens of Babylon are another ancient wonders. They are located on bank of the river. This area is near Baghdad in Iraq. A king built this garden for his wife. So this one was also true. The 3 options given are true. So the final answer is third option. Now we will enter into next question. The second question is, which of the 7 ancient wonders of the world was as tall as 4-story building? On observing the passage now, the statue of Zeus was built in Olympia, Greece in 457 BC. This statue was built to honor the Greek god Zeus. The statue was as tall as 4-story building. So which statue about we are discussing? The statue of Zeus. So the answer will be the second option. And coming to the third question. The third question is, what is the meaning of the underlined word? The lighthouse at Halicarnassus. So on observing here, we find that it's a temple. A temple is converted into lighthouse. Coming to the fourth question, these are fill in the blanks. My mother advised me to stay at home. And fifth one is, Rakesh is an excellent science teacher. Next, coming to the sixth one, rearrange the following words or phrases to make meaningful sentence by choosing the correct sequence. Here on observing the given 4 options, the right answer is, she waved and greeted us cheerfully. So the fourth option will be the perfect. The seventh one is also the fill in the blank. It was a steep dash from the hilltop. From the hilltop it is steep descent. So third option will be the correct one. Rearrange the following words or phrases to make the meaningful sentence by choosing the correct sequence. Here we get CBAED. It means the heavy snowfall covered everything. So the first option will be the correct one. And coming to ninth, choose the correct noun. A dash of soldiers marched into the battleground. Here a group of soldiers means we have to find the perfect word. Here the troop of soldiers. We call it as troop. And choose the correct pronoun now for the 10th question. Is she the girl dash won the first prize? The 10th one is she the girl dash won the first prize? Who won the first prize? 11th one is choose the correct question tag. You paid the bill. So here, didn't you? Identify the type of sentence. Mohan gave me a 10 rupee note. It's a declaration, so declarative sentence. Choose the correct verb. The water dashed from the tap last night. We are talking about the past tense. So it will be the water dripped from the tap last night. Choose the correct spellings. Here the first one is appointment, 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 and the correct option is fourth one, appointment. Choose the correct option. 15th one is a cobbler is a person who repairs footwear. The 16th one is choose the option that is opposite of earlier. Earlier means it's too early. The option is later, means afterward. 17th question is choose the word nearest in the meaning to the underlined word. There was a momentous moment in cricket match. Here the nearest meaning is abrupt. Choose the correct adjective. Yesterday was the dash day of our trip. Yesterday was the means we are talking about past tense again. Yesterday was the worst. There is no worse wrong. More worse, most worse. All the remaining three options are wrong because that doesn't exist again. The 19th one is choose the correct option closest to the meaning of gigantic. Gigantic means very big. Okay, and the 20th one is choose the opposite of literate, means illiterate. Choose the incorrect pair. Knife, knives. Woman, women. Here we are talking about singular and plural. Knife, knives. Woman, women. Deer, deer. Mouse, mouses is wrong one. This fourth option is wrong because it will become mice. And coming to 22nd, choose the appropriate option. All my friends are good natured, as they say birds of a feather dash together, means birds will flock together. Identify the adverb. The doctor will see you later. Here we have to find the adverb, not verb. So will become the verb and latter will be our adverb. Next question is seeing the wounded bird, she dash her mother. Wounded bird means it is already done, past tense. She called her mother. Fill in the blank with correct conjunction. Manjeet cannot drive dash he has license. Manjeet cannot drive dash he has a license. So although he has a license. And the section B is mathematics. Coming to the 26th question, what is the fraction that the sum of the shaded regions represent? Here all these are shaded regions up to here, and from here to here. Now let's count the shaded part. Here there are 12 parts. Here also there are 12 parts. Now on adding we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 12 are shaded. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 12 are shaded. We have to find the sum of 8 by 12 plus 5 by 12. Now we get getting the denominator is 12. So directly add 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 by 12. On observing the four options, fourth option is the right one, as 1 by 12 is equal to 12 into 1 plus 1 by 12 is equal to 13 by 12. So the right answer is fourth option. The 27th question is, what is the weight of 2 dozen biscuits if each biscuit weighs 4 grams? Here they have given 2 dozens. 2 dozens means 2 into 12 is equal to 24 biscuits. Okay, and each is weighing 4 grams. The total weight is 24 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s 8 plus 1, 96 grams. So the answer is 96. Next, coming to 28th one. Choose the smallest possible 7-digit number that you can form using each of the following digits. They have given 5, 1, 8, 0, 3. First write in an ascending order. 0, 1, 3, 5, 8. As they have asked us the 7-digit number, we cannot start with 0. So the next number is 1. Next we can put 0, and again we have to put 0 as we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So 1, 0, 0, and again we can put 0. Now 3, 5, 8. Now the right answer is fourth option. Now coming to the 29th question. Sum of place values of underlined digits in the given number is. They are asking the sum of place values. Just we have to add the sum of place values of the given two numbers. The 5 is in thousands place, so keep 5000 plus 1 is in ones place plus 1, again plus 3 is in ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs place, so we have to put 3 lakh plus 7 is in the tens place, so 70. Now add. By adding we get 3 lakh 5071. 3 lakh 5071. So the answer is fourth option. And the next question is, which one of the following figures is not symmetrical along the dotted lines? Which is not symmetrical, they are asking us. Coming to A, both sides are symmetrical. Here also same. Here also same. So the answer we get is N. As it should be, if it is symmetrical, it should be like this, M. But it was not symmetrical, so the answer will be N. Third option. Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 5 by 7? Just follow the given options. The first option is 15 by 21. 15 by 21. 5 by 7 is the given equivalent fraction. So on multiplying with 3 by 3, 15, no, we cannot get. On multiplying, so not. On dividing with by 3, we get 5 and 7. So 15 by 21 is equal to 5 by 7. They have asked us not an equivalent. Coming to the second option, 45 by 56. Here 5 by 7 we have to get. On multiplying with 8 by 8 and by 8, 7 8s are 56, but 5 8s are only 40, not 45. So this is not equivalent to 45 by 56, not equivalent to 5 by 7. So the right answer will be 45 by 56. 45 by 56. Here, the 32nd question is find the area of the shaded part of the figure. The shaded part is completely, if you observe, it's a rectangle. We have one rectangle. In that again, we have a small rectangle and a square. We have to find the shaded part and erase this rectangle and square from this. Means to subtract. First, find out the rectangle, big rectangle's area, which is 25 centimeters its length and 9 centimeters its breadth. Area of rectangle formula is L into B. So 25 into 9 is equal to 225. Now again we have to get the values of the rectangle area and the square area which is inside the big rectangle. Here we have 4 centimeters and 7 centimeters. So it's also rectangle. L into B is 4 sevens are 28. And the small square we are having here, each side is 6 centimeters. So area of square is side into side, which is 6 into 6 is 36. So add 28 plus 36. We get 64. Now subtract these two areas from the big rectangle. So 225 minus 64 gives 161 square centimeters. Okay. So the option 1 is correct. The 33rd question is convert the fraction 15 1 by 25 into a decimal number. Okay, on by converting we get 15 1 by 25. We have to do 15 into 25. 15 into 25 plus 1 divided by 25. Here we get 15 into 25 is, on multiplying we get here 375 plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 376 by 25. Now just divide it. On dividing with 25, 15 is 375. The remainder is 1. By keeping a point, decimal point on 0, it's not sufficient. So keep another 0 and add another 0. Now 25 4 is 100. So the answer is 15.04. Second option is the right answer. And 34th question is what would be the price of 7 chairs if the price of one chair is 7,642.45. Okay, just we have to get the price of 7 chairs. They have given one chair's price is 7,642.45 into 7. We have to multiply and get the price. On multiplying we get 7 5 0 35, 7 4 28, 31, 7 2 14. Next 7 4 28, 7 6 42, 44, 7 7 49 plus 4 53. By here we have to keep the decimal point after 2 digits. So the answer will be 53,497.15. Check the options. 53,497.15. Option 2 is the answer. Next question. A webinar has 3 intervals of 5 minutes each. What is the total duration of intervals in seconds they have asked? They have given 3 intervals of 5 minutes each. That means completely 3 intervals means 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 15 minutes of interval there is. We have to convert this into seconds. Each minute will have 60 seconds. So 15 minutes will have 15 into 60 seconds. 15 into 60. 50, by multiplying 15 into 6 we get 90, and by keeping 0 it is 900 seconds. So the right option is 3. Third option is the right answer. And next question is an oil tank can hold 60 liters of oil. Another oil tank can hold thrice as much. What is the total capacity of both tanks? Okay, the first oil tank is there. Okay, the first oil tank will contain 60 liters. Its capacity is, and another oil tank, the second oil tank can hold thrice. Thrice means 60 plus 60 plus 60, or you can do 60 into 3 is equal to 180 liters. Now just add the 2 liters. They have asked the total capacity of both the tanks. Means 60 plus 180 is equal to 240 liters. Here, second option is the right answer. Next, coming to 37th question. What is the side of a cube if its volume is 64 cubic centimeters? They have given 64 cubic centimeters and they have asked the side of a cube. Just cube root of 64 is 4. The right answer will be second option. Next, 38th one. Which of the following numerals are arranged in ascending order? Okay, they have already arranged. We have to find the right answer. Just observe the 4 options. 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 2 here. So this will be wrong. First option is wrong. And coming to second one. Ascending means small to big. Okay. Here we got 9,000 and after that we got 7,000. So second option is also wrong. Coming to third option, 10. Just I am observing the thousands and 10,000s place first. It's 10,000, 12,049, 12,509, 15,000. Okay, it's in the increasing order, means ascending order. Just observe the fourth option also. 23,000, 23,000, and we got 21, means it is in descending order. The right answer is third one. Third option is the right answer, small to big. In the 39th question, choose a figure that will continue the series in the given figure. Okay, they have asked the series and they have given 4 options for us. There are different ways to solve this. Here, on observing, I got the left corner is becoming the left right corner. Again, this to this. See, observe. Now, this circle will come here. Okay, the first one I got is circle. Observing the 4 options, I have circle only in the third one. So I think this will be the answer. But just try to find another. Here I got, see, these two are always getting common in every diagram. So here also we should get down arrow. Okay, we are having down arrow also. So third one is the right option. Next, coming to 40th question. If triangle plus it's just like a clock symbol is equal to 420 and clock symbol minus triangle is equal to 90, then what is the value of that symbol they have asked us? Just we can put it as triangle means x and the symbol is y. X, this is also a triangle. Just I'm imagining triangle is equal to x and this shape circle clock shape is equal to y. Okay, y, x minus y. Here they have given us x plus y is equal to 420 and x minus y is equal to 90, and they have asked the value of y. We have to find the value of y here. X plus x 2x plus y is equal to 420, and here x not x not here y minus x is equal to 90 they have given us. So y minus x is equal to 90. Just by cancelling plus x and minus x. So just change the symbols first. Plus minus minus. By cancelling plus y and minus y, we get 2x plus x 3x is equal to 420 minus 90. So 420 minus 90 is 330. It implies 3x is equal to 330 means x is equal to 330 by 3, which goes to 110 is the x value. Means the triangle value is 110. Now in the question they have asked the value of y, means this symbol, clock symbol. So just by substituting this value in any of the given equations, we will get the value. Just we can take y minus x is equal to 90. We know the x value. So y minus 110 is equal to 90. This means the y value will be 200. 200 minus 110 is equal to 90. So the right answer will be the second option. The 41st question is, if the classes for the senior students start every day at 8:35 a.m. Okay, 8:35 a.m. and end at 1:45 p.m. It's a.m. and this is p.m. with no breaks. Find the total duration of the classes. Just round figure the given time. 8:35 means to become 9 we have to add 25 minutes. It will become 9 a.m. Okay, after 25 minutes it will become 9 a.m. Here 1:45 minutes. By keeping 45 minutes away we will get 1 p.m. So 9 to 1 means 3 hours, so 4 hours. 4 hours plus 25 plus 45 minutes. 25 minutes plus 45 minutes. 25 plus 45 means it's 70 minutes. 4 hours 70 minutes. Is there any option like that? No. We can carry 70 minutes means 60 plus 10. 60 means 1 hour. So carry here. It means 5 hours 10 minutes. 5 hours 10 minutes is also not in the options. So convert it completely into minutes. So 5 hours means 5 into 60. It's 300 minutes. Plus here we have 10 minutes means 310 minutes. So the right answer is the second option, 310 minutes. Next, 42nd question is, in 556, okay, 5,63,672, the place value of 6 at the 10,000th place is dash times the place value of the 6 at the 100th place. Okay, just first write down 5, 6, 3, 6, 7, 2. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here 6 is in the 100th place. And here 6 is in the 10,000th place. They are mentioned there. Now they are asking how many times it is greater than. Okay. How many times 100 is greater than 10,000? I mean, how many times we will get 100 into 10,000? It's 100 into dash is equal to 10,000. Okay. How many times we have to multiply to get 10,000 with 200? The total. So we have to multiply again with 100. 100 into 100 times will give the 10,000. Here 100 is in the, 6 in the 100th place and 6 in the 10,000th place. So we have to multiply it with 100. Again 100 times by doing it we get the 60,000 value. Now coming to 43rd question. Anil had 78.6 meter fabric which was just enough to make one set of uniform for 12 students. How much fabric would be used to make one uniform? Okay. Anil had 78.6 meter fabric. Only we will get one set of uniform for 12 students. Means this uniform is suitable for only 12 students to get one uniform. They're asking each one. I mean, each uniform consists of how much fabric. I mean, how many meters of fabric it's required for each person. So just divide it. 78.6 meters divided by 12 students. Just divide it. On dividing, we get 12 6 okay, 72. Next it will be 6 remaining, so 12 5 60 again. Okay, we have to put the decimal value 6.555 we are getting. So 6.55 meters will be the answer. So one uniform we can get with 6.55 meters of fabric. Coming to the 44th question, select the next figure in the pattern. They have given us a pattern of triangles. On observing here, directly we can see this. The tip of the triangle is rotating anti-clockwise. It means it is rotating like this. See, first here, next down, and automatically next on the right side. So the right answer will be third option. Here, an athlete finishes 400-meter race in 48 seconds. Okay, 400-meter race in 48 seconds he has completed. How many minutes has he spent in running if he ran 5 times on the same track at the same speed? Means for one round he takes 48 seconds. For 5 rounds, means you have to multiply it with 5. 48 into 5 is 48 into 5 means we get 240 seconds. Now they have asked the solution in the answer in minutes. So we have to convert it into minutes. 240 divided by 60 we have to do. So we get 0 and the answer is 4 minutes. Okay. In 4 minutes you will complete the 400-meter race 5 times. Next. Which of the following are arranged in descending order? Descending order means big to small. Okay. Just directly observe the second and fourth options first because the denominators are same. All are 11. But 6 is not the biggest of all the given numbers. So second option is wrong. And coming to 10th one, 10 after we got 13. So fourth option is also wrong. And coming to first and third options. Coming to the first option and third option, the common thing is numerators are same. So now by observing, we got 5, 7, 13, 9, 3. So the first option is also a wrong one. 7 by 6, 7 by 8, 7 by 12, 7 by 15 and 7 by 18. So the right answer is third option. But 7 by 6, 7 by 8 means completely it is reversed because it is from not in the descending order. The third option is in ascending order, not descending order. Okay, because 7 by 6, 7 by 8, it is an ascending order, not the descending order. So the right answer will be first one. First option is the right answer. As 2/3 is big than 2, 9, 2 by 13, 2 by 7, 2 by 5. The first answer is right because it's only in the descending order. Third option is in the ascending order. Coming to the 47th question, what must be added to 2.4624 to get 6.785? Means just we have to subtract 6.785 minus 2.4624. Okay, by keeping 0 here, 10 minus 4 it is 6. Observing the all options, only third option is having the 6. So we got the answer there itself. So here it will be 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 6 minus 2 is 4. The right answer is third option. Coming to the 48th one, identify the greatest fraction from the following. Okay, you have to find the greatest fraction, means the biggest fraction here. 211 is small, 2 by 7 is also small when compared to 213. So the greatest fraction here is only 2 by 3. While having 3 parts, you got 2. So it is the greatest fraction of the all given. Next, coming to 49th one, in a particular year, 76,43,872 students appeared for an exam. Out of them, 42,37,602 were girls. How many were boys? Okay, here also we have to subtract. Out of total students, 76,43,872. Just subtract girls, which was given 42,37,602. Now we will get the boys. This is total. These are girls. Now we will get boys by subtracting girls from the total. 2 minus 2, 0, 7, 8 minus 6, 2, 13 minus 7, it's 6. Next 3 minus 3, 0, 6 minus 2, 4, and 7 minus 4, it's 3. 34,06,270 is the answer. Observe the options. So we got the third option as the right answer. Now coming to fifth question, which of the following is the incorrect option? They have said incorrect option. On observing the diagram, we can see that it's a rectangle given to us, and the area is also mentioned. The area is the formula L into B is equal to 240, and they have given 4 options for us. Just multiply 19 point, just substitute all the options given in the question. 19.2 into 12.5. okay, it is 19.2 into 12.5 means it will give 240 only, but they have asked the incorrect option, not the correct option. So the next option is 16 into 15. 16 into 15 is also raised to 240 only. Next 54 into 5. Okay, here 54 into 5 gives us 270, not 240. So this will be the answer, because 54 into 5 is not 240. You can check the fourth option also. 32 into 7.5 is equal to 240 only. So the answer will be third one. Now coming to 51. We got a fraction on here, BODMAS rule only. 6 by 8 divided by 3 by 2 into 4 by 5. No need to get confused here. We can change the symbols. 6 by 8 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Now it's totally completely a multiplication. Now just cancel and divide. 3 2 6, 4 2 8, 2 2 get cancelled, and the answer we got is 2 by 5. Only these two are there, all got cancelled here. So 2 by 5 is the answer, and we can observe the option 4 as the answer. Now coming to 52nd one. Select the values of m and n to make the statement true. Okay. Now just substitute all the 4 options. First 127 into 15 they have given. Just multiply it. 127 into 15 is equal to dash into 15 plus dash into 15. Okay. By multiplying 127 into 15 we get 1905. Now we have to substitute the values, and which option will give the answer. 1905 will be the right option. Just first try to substitute the first option, which is m is equal to 100. M is equal to 100 and n is equal to 15. Now substituting, here it is 1500 plus 15 so it is 225. So the answer will be 1725. No, so the first option is wrong. First option is wrong. Now try to substitute the second one. On substituting this second one, n is equal to 15. 120 into 15. So 120 into 15 means 12. It will become 1800 plus 225. Okay, no, this one is also wrong one. It is also not satisfying. So second option is also wrong. Now substitute the third option, which is 15 and 27. 15 15 is 225. And just multiply 27 into 15 now, which will we get 405, and it is also wrong. So automatically the answer will be only fourth option, but just try to substitute that also. The fourth option is 127. So it will become 1500 plus 27 into 15 gives rise to 405 is equal to 1905. So this is the answer. So fourth option is correct in this case. The next question is, how many parts of the given figure should be shaded to represent 3 by 7? Okay, but here on observing the question, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They have given 14 parts to us. There are 14 parts in the given picture diagram, and we have to shade it equal to 3 by 7. So don't worry, just multiply with that number which gives denominator as 14. So we have 7 here. So multiply with 2 by 2. 7 to 14. 3 to 6. So 6 parts should be shaded. So on observing the answer options, we get fourth option as the right answer. Now 54th one is, how many acute angles are there inside the given figure? Just redraw it. They have just mark all the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Where do angles are placed where the two lines meet? So here on observing the, okay, these two are also angles, but they have asked only acute angles. So 1 acute means less than 90. 3, 4, 5 and 6. These two are obtuse angles, so cancel. So answer 6 will be the answer. Second option is the right answer. Coming to next question. 1,28,400 pens are to be packed in cartons with 150 pens in each. How many cartons will be needed? Okay, it's just a division you have to do. 1,28,400 divided by 150. Okay, cancel 0 0. Now divide 12840 divided by 15. We get actually it is 15 and 0. It should be end with 5 only. 12840. So the answer will be, how many cartons will be needed? On dividing, we get 856. So observing the options, we see it is on the first place. The first option is the right answer. Now coming to 56 one. Prisha weighs 42 kgs and Kaira weighs 39.5 kgs. What is the total weight? So just add them. First Prisha weight is 42 kgs and Kaira weight is 39.5. On adding, it's 5, 2 plus 9, 81.5 kgs, but they have asked us in grams. So convert this into grams. It means only multiply it with 5 kg into 1000 grams is equal to, the answer will be 815. 3 zeros will become 2 zeros as we have a decimal point here. So answer will be the third option, 81,500 grams. Next question. Identify the angle created by the minute hand and the hour hand at 2:30 p.m. Now just draw a clock. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and 9. If it's 2:30 p.m., small hand will be here and the big hand minutes hand will be here. Now they have asked us the angle created here. If it's a right angle, it should be only up to here, but it is more than the right angle, means it's an obtuse angle. So the right answer will be is obtuse angle, which is the second option. Next question. A dealer purchased 50 tables for 4,570 rupees each. 9 tables got damaged in transit. He sold the remaining tables for 5,000 each. Choose the most appropriate statement for this case. So first try to solve the given statements and then go to options. Okay, now 50 tables we bought for 4,570 rupees each. On multiplying, we get the total value is 2,28,500. This is the cost price for which he bought all the tables. And in here 9 tables got damaged. So the remaining tables he is left with is only 41 tables. And he sold them for 5,000 each. So on multiplying 41 with 5,000, we get 2 lakh only 5,000. Yeah, 2 lakh 5,000 is the selling price. Here if we observe, the cost price is more than the selling price, means he's in loss. How much loss? Just subtract it. He's lost with 23,500. Now just go to options. He was able to recover the cost of the damaged tables. No. Next, he made a profit. Wrong. He incurred a loss of 23,500. See, we got the third option as the correct one because he's in loss with 23,500 rupees. Next question. I'm a 5-digit even number. Okay, just try to go with the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit even number. I have 9 at my tens place. On observing the options, we have third option an odd number, so just cancel it. I have 9 at my tens place. In tens place, it has 9. Okay, all the remaining options is also having 9 at the tens place. The digit at the 10,000s place is 3 less than the digit at the tens place. Just mark it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Here they have given the digit at the 10,000s place is 3 less than the digit at the tens place. 9 minus 3, it's 6. All the questions are having 6 also. All the remaining options. The digit at the hundreds place is half the value of the digit at the 10,000s place. Here at the hundreds place it is half the value of the 10,000s place. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So here we will get 3. Means only this and this will be correct. This is also wrong. Next, go to the next statement. The digit at the thousands place is double the digit at the ones place. So just observe. The digit at the thousands place is double at the ones place. It should be double than the ones place. Now observing the second option, 2 and 1. Here it is x and it is 2x. So third option is second option is also wrong. And here it is ones place is 4 and thousands place is 8. It means it already it got doubled. So fourth option will be the right answer. Fourth option is the right answer. Next. The product of the LCM and HCF of two numbers is 322. If one of the number is 23, what is the order? Other. So we have the formula. The product of two numbers is the product of their LCM into HCF. Here they have given the product as 322 and one number as 23. We have to find the second number. So the second number is x is equal to 322 22 by 23 only. Now just on dividing 322 with by 23, we get 14. So the answer is the second option, 14. So the next question will go more. What would be the water image of search? Okay, the water image they have asked. Here the symbol first, the water image will be, the symbol will not change, it's the same only. So here the same means on observing the options, we see third one has the mirror image, not the water image, and remaining three are same. So now write the words. So here the water image will be, yes, E will be like that only, and A will be like this, R, C will be same, and H will be also same. Now by observing the options, we will get second option as the right answer. As on the first one, it is yes is on the same side, and the fourth option, the word is given in the water image as well as in the mirror image. So second option is the right answer. Moving to the next question, 62. Which one of the following options is incorrect? On observing the options only, we can say fourth one is completely incorrect because 3.21 is less than 3.22. So it will be the incorrect option. The 63rd question is filling the blank with the correct option, and they have given the Roman numbers here. 390, and the LIX means it's 59. The total gives us 449. So now on observing the given four options, the first option is completely wrong as they have given 4 C's, means 400 has 400, and in the fourth option also they have given 4 X's. So the fourth option and the first option are completely wrong. This is all wrong, this is wrong. And on observing the first two, second and third options, 449. Okay, the second option is the right answer. Now coming to the 64th one, rounding off 77,34,000, sorry, 73,48,561 to the nearest hundreds. Only they have asked about hundreds, nearest hundreds. So 48,561. Now we have to place 561 to its nearest hundreds. It is above 50, so we have to place 600 here. The remaining will be same as it is. So 73,48,600 is our answer. Now observe the options. I have seen second option as the right answer. Now coming to 65th question, what should be subtracted from 3 million to get 17,65,498? So directly subtract. Just we will do 3 million. Okay. Means here, okay, we should get a, this was given in a international system. This is 3 million. Now subtract. Okay, on subtracting we get 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 7 2, and here it will be 2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the answer will be 1,234,502. On observing the options, we get second option as the right answer. 1,23,234,502. Shreya has 32 red pens and 56 blue pens. She wants to make packs of equal number of pens out of them in such a way that each pack has pens of only one color. How many pens would be there in the biggest pack? Okay, there is something wrong with this question. We will try our best. 32 red pens, okay, and 56 blue pens. Now find out the value of find out the HCF value of this. On finding the HCF, 32 1 times 32, and the remainder we get is 6 minus 2 4 and 5 minus 3 2. 32 24 ones 24, and the remainder is 8 with 24 3 times, so the HCF is 8. So the answer from the given options we have 8, means 8 packs. Okay, the next question is, if the cost of fencing 1 meter is 215, then find the cost of fencing a park with length 45 meters and breadth 23 meters. Okay, here the length and breadth is given. That means it's a rectangular park with length 45 meters and breadth 23 meters, for which they want to fence. Now perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into length is 23 and breadth is 45 is equal to 2 into 68. The answer is 136 meters. Okay, now we have to fence it. For 1 meter is 215 rupees, so for 136 meters it will be 136 into 215 rupees. On multiplying we get 29,240 rupees. From the options it is in the first place, means first option is the right answer. The next question, the area of a triangle whose base is 12 centimeters and height twice the base is, means they're asking the area of triangle formula. Just first draw the triangle. Here the base is given as 12 and the height is twice the base. It means the height is 24. Now find the area of triangle. The area of triangle formula is half base into height is equal to half base is 12 and height is 24. 2 will cancel 24 12 times. So 12 into 12 is 144. So the right answer is in the second position. Second option is the right answer, 144 square centimeter. Coming to the next question, 69. Raman started a journey 4 hours before Samir. If Samir started his journey at 2:15 p.m., at what time did Raman start his journey? Okay. If Raman started 4 hours before. Okay. When Samir started at 2:15. 2:15 hours, 2:15 p.m. minus 4 hours means it will be 10:15 a.m. or 10, not a.m. or p.m. is given here mentioned. So 10:15 hours will be the right answer, which is in the third place. Third option is the right answer. Coming to the 70th question. 76,04,083 is written as dash in the international number system. Okay. First try to put it on the paper. It is given up to 76 lakh, means 10 lakhs position in the Indian system. 10 lakhs, 10 thousands, 1,000, 100, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs. So now place the number here. 76 lakh 4,000, 4,083. Now we have written this in the Indian system only regarding the given question. Now we have to convert this into international system. So the number will be 7,006,000 sorry, 604,083. Okay, the first option we see 7,640,000. So the first option is wrong. And coming to the last option, it is 7,604,083. Okay, the last option is the right answer. Okay, next. Okay, there is a bar diagram here. The following graph represents the activities taken up by grade 5 students, means grade for 5 students in a particular school. Study the graph and answer the following questions. Okay, there is a graph bar diagram given here. Try to answer the question regarding the diagram. 71st one question is, the number of students who choose painting is dash more than the number of students who choose theatre. So first go to painting and theatre. Okay, in painting we see it is the bar diagram is more than 15 but not so high, so it we will place it as 16. And coming to theatre, it is more than 10 but somewhat 11 also, so we will place it as 12. Okay, now 16 minus 12 is 4, so I think option 4 is the right answer. Next, coming to second question, we have placed it as 16 here and 12 here. Continue with the same values. What is the total number of students in grade 5? Okay, we have to add all the students. So in debate we have exactly 15, we can see here. And in swimming we have more than 20 but not too high, so we will place it as 22. And in dance we have 15, 16, a bit more than 15, 16 and 17 also. I will place it as 18. So the total value is, just add all the numbers. By adding we get 15 plus 12 plus 22 plus 18 plus 16. So 83 is the right answer. It is in the second place. Second option is the right answer. Next, coming to the next question. Now again repeat the same values here also. 15, 12, 22, 18 and 16 here. How many students were there in the two least popular activities? Two least popular activities. On observing here we get debate and theatre as the two least popular activities. So 15 plus 12 is 27. So option 4 is the right answer. Coming to the next question, how many students choose dance? As we have mentioned here before itself, here we have 18. So 18 students regarding our study choose dance. So option 2 is the right answer. And here, how many more students choose swimming as compared to debate? Again repeat the values first. 15, theatre we have mentioned 12, 22, 18, 16. Now repeat the question, how many more students choose swimming compared to debate? In debate we have only 15 but in swimming we have 22, means 7 students are more in swimming when compared to debate. So the right answer is in the fourth place. Fourth option is the right answer. Okay, now we have completed our math session and entered into general knowledge. Coming to the section C, general knowledge, the first question is, in which sport is the term knockout used? The answer is boxing. The reading above dash on Richter scale can cause severe damage. Richter scale is means 7 and more than 7 can cause severe damage. Which bacteria is responsible for the formation of curd? Lactobacillus acidophilus. Next question is, which one of the following statements is true about fossil fuels? They are the remains of once living organisms. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? Bodh Gaya. Who invented electric bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. Pick out the incorrect statement. On observing the given four options, gravitation affects only part of the earth is the incorrect statement. Where is the famous Meenakshi temple located? It's Madurai. What process is involved in cloud seeding, which is a technique that induces rain? Here also making clouds and placing them in the sky. Okay, coming to the next question, 85th one. Which part of the earth supports biodiversity? Here the 85th one in earth sanctuary supports biodiversity. So second option. What do tissues help in? Tissues help in division of labor among cells. Next one. Who was the chief of army during the Indo-Pak War? Here the answer is Field Marshal SHFG Manekshaw was the chief of army during the Indo-Pak War in 1971. Salman Rushdie won the Booker Prize for which book? It is all the books are written by him only. The second option, Midnight's Children, won the Booker Prize. The next question is 89th one. Which vitamin deficiency lead to bleeding of gums, slow healing of wounds and aching limbs? Here the 89th question is vitamin C. Which state or union territory is Nanda Devi located in? It is in Uttarakhand. What does white color in the Indian national flag represent? Peace and truth. Which classical dance form is named after the village it originated from? It's Kuchipudi. What is the major source of fresh water in India? Actually, it's rainwater and the options. Ocean water is wrong answer. River water is also wrong. Pond. So groundwater is the correct option. Name the holy book of the parish. So the answer is second option is right answer. And here, where is the United Nations headquarters located? New York. Which sweet is deep fried, dipper in sugar syrup and round shaped and usually orange in color? It's gajar ka halwa, rasagulla, bakarwadi and jalebi is the right answer. Coming to the next question. Who has won the Sushila Devi Literature Award for the novel Things to Leave Behind? The 97th question, the answer is Namita Gokhale. Pick an example of water pollution. For water pollution means an oil spill from a large ship. Okay, it is water pollution. Drinking water out of a plastic bottle, gasoline in a car, animals. Okay, first option is right answer. By what other name is the water cycle known as? Water cycle is known as hydrologic cycle. What is meant by the seed coat? The protective outer coat of a seed. From the four options, third option is the right answer. Okay, now we have completed up to 100 questions. Now coming to the next section, the last section is of D intelligence. From here, which of the following option is an odd one? Okay, PQRS, LMN, OP, BCD. Okay, all are in the series, but on observing the four options, first option is having only four, third option is having four, fourth option is also having four only, second option is containing only five options, five. So it's a hard one. Next question, if 35 out of 70 people are diabetic, which figure will depict the diabetic group? It means 70. 35 out of 70 means exactly half. The answer, first option is the right answer, A, because in a circle it's showing representing only half. Next, coming to the next question. Figure is embedded in one of the four alternatives. Find the alternatives which contain figure as its part. Here, on observing the four boxes given, the shape plus is used only here. Here we can see this shape and the box. So option B is the right answer. It is in the second option. So coming to the next one, 104. Fill in the blank with one of the options given below, which is in the line with the sequence in the questions. Here they have given P, U, E, Q, V, R, W, G and D. So on observing P, Q, R, and here it will start with P, Q, R, S and T. Okay, the first one will be S. Observing the options, S is here on first and fourth options. So next go with the last one also. E, F, G, so here H and I. So the last option should be H. Here it is Y. So the second option is wrong. And the right answer is 1. Okay, next 105. If grain is related to warehouse, then water is related to. Here grains are stored in warehouse and water is stored in dam. Next, choose the correct alternative. Here, smoke causes pollution and the war causes destruction, not a peace, victory and treaty. Next, replace the question mark in the given series. The given series is M, O, Q, S. Means here we are having M but no R. Sorry, N. No N. We have O but no P. We have Q but no R. We have S and we should not have T. Then we should have only U here. But by observing we have two small letters, two capital, two small, two capital, and now we should have two only small letters. The small letters are in the position 1. First option is the right answer. And coming to the next one, there are 4 buildings in a residential complex. Okay, A, B, C and D. Each one is of different height. Okay, D is only shorter than B. Okay, just try to represent them. It is D and it is B. Okay, D is shorter than B. A is shorter than D and C. A should be shorter than D as well as C also. Which one is the shortest of all? A is shorter than both D and C as well as B. So A is the solution. Option 1 A is the right answer. Next, what comes in the place of question mark in the following number series? Here we have 4, 12, 36, 108 and 324. On observing 4, 12, the relation is maybe into 3, 4, 3 is 12, 12, 3 is 36, 36, 3 is 108 and 108, 3 is 324. Just now again multiply it with 3. So the ones place should end with 2. 7, 9. So the answer is 972, which was in the fourth option. 972 is the right answer. 2 positions of dice are shown below. Identify the number at the bottom when the top is 5. Okay. Now just draw the 3D picture. Okay. On the top side we have given 3. This is 2, this is 4, and again after 4 it is 6, and here 5. So automatically the bottom will be 1. Now they have asked if 5 is on the top, the opposite side is 4. The fourth option is the right answer. Here, okay, they have given the blood relations. The next question is R is K's sister. R is K's sister. Means it's okay, female. R is case sister. P is case brother. P is case brother. Q is T's father, who is P's brother. P is case brother, okay. Q is T's father, who is T's father, okay. Who is P's brother? P's brother is Q, and father, okay. Q is T's father, who is P's brother. H is K's mother. H is K's mother. At least how many sons do Q and H have? Here Q and H have at least, they have asked least 1, 2, 3. Least they have 3 because we don't know what's K's gender is, either male or female. But here, okay, not 3, as R is female, we don't know K. 2 is the right answer, so we go with the second option. Coming to the next question, which figure among the 4 alternatives ABCD would replace the question mark in figure 4? Okay. First, by observing the dot, here it is in this position, and it was changed 2 directions or 3 directions and placed at the third place, and here also again 3, and now it again after turning it will be on to 1, 2, 3 here, so the dot will be on the left corner, left bottom corners. There are 2 options, we have the dot on the left bottom corner, so again we have go to the second reason. First thing, we have the line bottom here, left, and then the center. Okay, now we should have right. The first option is having to the left, so not the first one. D is the right answer. So D means the fourth option is the right answer. Next, coming to the 113th question, which sequence of mathematical symbols can replace star in the given equation to balance the equation? Okay, 7 dash into 7 dash into 2 dash into 1 is equal to 12. Now replace the 3 stars with the symbols. Go with the first option and place here 7 into 7 divided by 2 minus 1. Okay, by placing brackets. The first option is wrong. So go with the second option. Second option means plus minus into. So brackets should be go here first. 2 ones 2. 7 plus 7 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. So the second answer is the right one. Second option is the right answer. Coming to the next question, a bus for Delhi leaves every 30 minutes from a bus station. Okay, the station master told a passenger that a bus has already left 10 minutes ago. Okay, just when he arrived, the bus left before 10 minutes, and the next bus will leave at 9:35. The next bus will leave at 9:35, means the before bus was left on 9:05. At what time the station master gave this information to the passenger? After leaving the last bus, he came after 10 minutes, means 9:15 he came, and station master said that okay, the bus were left before 10 minutes itself, so the answer will be 9:15, which was at the third option. Next, Surbi is facing east. Okay, directions we got here. Surbi is facing east. Okay, she turns 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. Okay, exactly she faced okay, 90 directions, 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees in the clockwise direction and moved 2 kilometers. Then she turns 145 degrees in clockwise direction. From here she moved 145 degrees. means now she is facing like here, and then clockwise means we get 90. 145 means here we will get, she turns 145 degrees in the clockwise direction and moved 1 kilometer. Okay, from here we went like this for 1 kilometer. Which direction she is facing? She is facing 1 kilometer only, but so from here she is facing now to northwest. So the answer is the northwest. If in a certain language parrot is written as 1 2 3 3 4 5 and so it is written as 6 4 2 5, then how would roast be written in that code? Okay, PARROT 1 2 3 3 4 5. Just code these parts. Yeah, SOT SOAT means 6 4 2 5. Okay, now we have to find the value of ROAST. On observing, R means 3, O means 4, next A means 2, next S means 6, T means 5. So the answer is 34265. Just check it in the options. 34265. 34265, it's in the last option. If we only check the first two options, first two RO, we can easily write first option as the answer. So check all the values and numbers. ROAST. We have to check the last, first, and middle also. There are only 4 alphabets or 5 alphabets. So please check. Try to check all the alphabets. Next, coming to the 117th question, find the missing figures from the given alternatives. Okay. Here 10 15, 15 minus 10 5. Okay, here we got 10 15 minus 10 5 plus 2 7. 45 minus 39, it's 6. Sorry, 7. 7 plus 2 9, and 56 minus 49. Okay, here 6 plus 3 we got 9, and here 56 minus 49 means 7. Okay, here we have added 2, here we have added 3, here we will add 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. So the right answer will be 11. Third option is the right answer. And coming to the next 118th question, find out the pair in which the words bear the same relationship to each other as the given one. Australia, Vienna, and so they are okay, capitals. USA, Orlando. No, not this, as US Orlando is the wrong one. Here they have asked for the same relationship. So Austria and Vienna's capital, we get Egypt, Cairo as the same relationship as Austria and Vienna. And the remaining Australia, Sydney, all are wrong. Next question, which of the following words cannot be formed out of the word conduct? Okay, conduct, CONDUCT. First DUCT. Okay, here DUCT, first word can be formed, so remove the first word. Next COUNTED, counted. Counted, COUNT, we don't have E, so this cannot be formed through this. CONT, count can be formed. DONUT, donut can also be formed. Only counted cannot be formed with conduct word. So the answer will be counted, cannot be found, so second option is the right answer. Coming to the 120th one, 37 boys are standing in a row. Okay, 37 boys. Akash is 14th from the right end. 37 boys are standing in a row. Okay, Akash is 14th from the right end. They are not mentioned from their positioning facing north or south. Okay, we will take north. So from the right end, Akash is on the 14th place. Total there are 37. Means how many are there in the right hand, left? Here he have 13. And on the left side still he have 23 members. On right side 13 members. Okay. Next, if he is shifted 6 places to the left. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is his position from the left end? Actually there are 23 on his left. Now on moving to the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, he will come to 20th place. 20th position he will be at. So 20th means on right hand side he will have 19 members, and on the left hand side just subtract 37 from 20. Sorry, subtract 20 from 37 means still he will have 17 members on the left hand side. In the question they have asked the position from the left. Actually they have 17 members on his left hand side. On counting him, he is on the 18th position. So the answer will be 18. Next question. In a certain language, fight is written as TGHFI. Then how will paper be written as? Okay. CFIGHT. Next, TGHFI. CF went to second place. I went to last. G came to second. H is here. Now in the same way, represent paper. PAPER. So F should be go through last but one. Okay, next second one should go through last. It means it should end with PA. Okay, first two options are ending with PA, then carry on. Next again, third letter is going to the second position. Fourth letter is going to last third, E, and last letter came to the first position, R. RPEPA. RPEPA. The first option is the right answer. The first option is right. And coming to the 122nd, which character when placed at the sign of the interrogation question mark shall complete the given pattern? Okay. Here we have A, B, C. Automatically here we will have D. Okay, all the options are starting with D itself. Now go to the next one. Here it is Z. From back it was coming Z, Y, X, X, Y, Z. Means here we will get W, X, Y, Z. First letter and last letter, second, first, and second, last, third and last, third, fourth and last, fourth, third and last, third. So DW will be placed here. It is in the first place. First option is the right answer. Next, coming to the 123rd. If A means division, B means minus, C means into, and D means plus, then find the value of the following equation. Okay, just first write on 16 D. D means plus 64. A means division 4. B means minus. C means next after 4 again we have 4, and C means minus 3. Okay, now first we have to place the brackets of division. and C means multiplication. Actually here we have 4 into 3, and after that we have to multiply with this and then do the addition and subtraction. So is equal to 16 plus 64 divided by 4 is 16, minus 4 3 is 12. 16 plus 16 is 32, minus 12 is equal to 20. 20 is the answer, which is the first option is the right answer. Next, choose the correct alternative from the options for the assertion A and the reason are given below. In India, people elect their own representatives. Okay, true. India is a democratic country. True. Okay, given A and R are true. Both A and R are true, which is in the third place. Okay, this is the last question. Which of the following diagrams best depicts the relationship between table, chair, and furniture? Okay. Okay, observing the third one here, B. In furniture, table and chair will be present. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Second option is the right answer. But on observing the D option also, here just they have given C. In furniture, we have tables and chairs. These two are very close to each other. Now we have completed the 2022 paper, Sainik Entrance Exam paper. If you observe any mistakes or find out any corrections, please try to comment in the comment section. Thank you.